Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Joselyn for anybody that's new, and if you're back to watch more, welcome back. What do you do? Today I wanted to record a like a get ready with me or like makeup tutorial kind of. I'm not a makeup artist, and yeah, at all. I'm going to be doing my natural look, like my everyday look whenever I do get ready. I have not gotten ready in so long. I have avoided getting ready because look at all these pimples on my face. I've never broken out this bad, so I'm like, I don't know what to do. So I've just been trying not to mess with my face. But today is gonna be the day that happens. So let's get started. I apply my Hangover primer. It's Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. Period, sissy. After the primer, I do my foundation, which is the Born This Way Too Faced. I do mix these foundations. One of them is my summer shade and one of them is my winter shade. So right now around this time, I do like mixing it. Well, recently I've been mixing it and I've liked the outcome. So I will be mixing the colors Warm Beige and Praline or Praline, whatever it's called. But I'm gonna do that. Okay, so to apply my foundation, I use the brush from Morphe M444, and it's this one. So I'm gonna apply it with my finger, dots all over my face. I look like I powdered on it. Whenever I'm applying my foundation, I do rub it in at first, but then I tap it in and I feel like it makes a difference. And make sure to blend down the neck. So now that I have put in my foundation, I do like going over with my damp beauty blender and just like going over it. I feel like it makes it look dewier, maybe because it's a little more wet with the sponge. I don't know, I like it and it feels refreshing. So after that, I do go in with my concealers, which are the Shape Tape Tarte concealers. I use medium sand and tan sand. Tan sand, I got it because I can just put this on underneath my eyes and my underbags, and that's a look like I don't look that dead and I don't have much makeup on. So that's why I have this a little darker one, and then this lighter one because, you know, so I can brighten up my face or whatever. So I do apply the lighter one first, a little triangle on the tip and on the dip of the nose, on the top, bottom, blend this out. I like doing the tapping motion. So now that I applied my concealer, I'm going in with my sponge again. I am now going to start applying my setting powder, which is Airspun. Airspun bomb, and it smells really good. I always say that it reminds me like viejitas, like Mexican viejitas. So now I'm going to go in with this brush. I think it's from BH Cosmetics. This is number 4. I'm going to pick it up and then I'm going to tap, tap, tap a little bit. And I'm going to tap it in. Oh, hello. Sorry. I add powder on my T-zone, on my cheeks, on my under eyes, on my bigote lines. And then since this is my natural look, I am gonna press the leftover powder on my eyelids. So now that I have my powder on my face, I'm gonna let it be there while I do my bronzer. And I'm gonna be using my Butter Brown. I can't talk. I'm going to be using my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and this is the color Deep Bronzer. We love that. I'm gonna go in with my brush from Real Techniques, and I don't know which one this is, but I've always used this one. I'm pretty sure it's not even for this. Now I'm gonna apply my blush from beige Cosmetics, and it's Floral Blush in color Caribbean Coral. This is where I smile. After my blush comes the wiping of the powder I still have on my face. I always switch off with the browns for my natural looks, but today I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills or whatever. I'm probably not pronouncing any of this right, but I feel like y'all understood me. So I'm going to go in with the color Raw Sienna, or whatever it's called. Just really slightly, I'm gonna go in on my eyelids, back and forth, and then like in the middle, because I do want it to look like the same color all around my eyes. So you know, key is always just blending. Just blend it out. Keep blending till your arm falls off, because beauty is pain, period, sister. So after that color, I'm gonna be going in with my Jafra or whatever, you know, what my Mexican tias be selling. I'm gonna go in with this little cute shimmer movement. Wow, we love that. We're gonna tap, 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 tap. Ooh. And then we're just gonna put it all over the eyelid for a glossy look. We just apply that one all over the lid. So after that, on my eyelids, I am gonna go in with my mascara, and I use my Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Angel. Now that I'm done with my mascara, I'm going to be applying my false lashes. I bought these on Amazon. They're so beautiful. I love them. I'm pretty sure a lot of people think they're humongous, but they're actually not. They just, I mean, they are lengthy, but they don't look as dramatic as they sound. But I get these on Amazon, and I'll try to link it down below, because they're bomb.com. They're like $11, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. So that's amazing, if you ask me. But it'd be these. They look so beautiful. I didn't discover them myself though. When I used to work at Walmart, there was this girl who worked with me, and she used to wear them. But I just feel like they look different on different people, you know? They look so good on her, but then I put them on and I was like, oh, who is she? Like, I was like, did we get the same ones? No, I'm just playing. They looked really nice on her, which is why I went and got them myself. For my eyelashes, I used the Glue Kiss strip lash adhesive with aloe vera. It sticks wonders. But yeah, it's a really good glue, and my best friend put me on, so shout out to her. Whoa, I got this. So, and now that my eyelashes are on, I feel like it looks a little weird right here, but it's because I think I put them opposite. Whatever. Do I care really? Kinda. Give me a second. Or does it look bad? Okay, so now that my eyelashes are on, I'm gonna be adding mascara to my lower lash line, or whatever, my lower lashes. So Now that I have basically everything done or whatever, check. Oh damn, I'm hella cross-eyed. I'm gonna add my setting spray, and I use I just bought this one, and if you see my last vlog, you saw that I got it in Texas at the Morphe store. It's the collaboration with Jeffree Star. It's strawberry scented, my favorite fruit ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that. So now I'm gonna go in with my highlighting brush. I think this one's from beige Cosmetics as well, but I'm not sure. Like, it's already super old. And I'm gonna go in with my highlighter, which is a Physicians Formula butter highlighter in Champagne. Period, sister. I need to stop saying that. Oh damn, that one was strong. I'm gonna go in with a little spoolie, and I'm gonna dip it in. Period, sister. So I'm gonna wet it, and then I'm gonna go over my brows because they do have foundation on them. All right, so that's that. For lippy, I'm only gonna be doing gloss. I'm a lip gloss girl for sure. This is the final result. Now I'm gonna go change.
Right. We out here. It's young boss. Knockout. All we wanna know first round
sexy Sienna, just pardon my manners. Girl, how you shake it, gotta play a life. It's a Kodak moment, let me go and get my camera. All I wanna know is sexy Sienna, hit it from the front, then I hit it from the back. Know you like it like that. Then we took it to the bed, then we take it to the floor. Then we chill for a second, then we back at it some more. Sexy Sienna, just pardon my manners, girl.
So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little natural makeup tutorial. Make sure to like, comment, and share, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you guys get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.